Okay, so we're starting a new social studies curriculum, the Studies Weekly. So I wanted to take just a minute and kind of show you what it's going to look like and how to work your way through it. There are 5 articles that you're going to read. There are 3 questions after each article. And then at the end you have, I think it's like a 5-question little test quiz thing that you need to do. So, sorry, I just went in. Okay, so what you're going to do is click on it in Google Classroom, click on the assignment to log in, and it should take you right on in using ClassLink to your Studies Weekly account. You should be able to use your school email to log in through ClassLink, and then it should bring you to this page right here. So you're going to click on this right here, our Texas Studies Weekly, and you're going to go to week 1. We're just going to start right at the beginning. And if you notice right here, it says take a test. You don't want to take the test quite yet. Okay, you want to actually work your way through this. As you work your way through it, you're going to be able to earn some coins. So you're going to click on Finding Texas, and it's going to take you right here. So we want to click on this first article. Okay, make sure that on this left-hand side you're clicking on this first article, or it'll end up taking you down to this extended reading, which we don't need to do. So on this first article, it says, "Where in the World Are We? Part 1." You can choose to read this yourself, or you can have it read to you by clicking this play button.
Asking where we are.
Okay, it takes about 4 minutes for this to be read to you. And after you've read it or have it read to you, then you can answer these 3 questions right here at the bottom. The answers to those questions are in this article. Okay, so if you don't know the answer to it, you may need to listen to it again. Once you've answered these 3 questions, then you can either use this little icon right here to click on Next, Mapping the News, or you can go over here to this left-hand side and you're just going down to the next one, Mapping the News. Okay, and this is 1.5 minutes long, so you can click play and it'll read it to you, or you can read it yourself and then you're going to answer 3 questions again. So after each one of these little articles, you answer 3 questions. And you're just working your way through these. So we started with Where in the World We Are, then we do Mapping the News, then Settling Texas, Deciding Where to Live and Grow. Again, you can press play, or you can read it yourself. This one's a little bit longer. And then you'll answer your 3 questions right here. And the questions actually can be read to you as well. You just click on this play button and it'll read you the question and the answer choices, and you just click on the correct one. Okay, and again, those answers are in the article. So you'll click next, or on the left hand side over here, you just go down to the next one. So Texas, its highs, its lows and high points. It's going to talk about the regions of Texas. You read it, answer your 3 questions, and move along. Texas ingenuity, I'm sorry, it talks about the Galveston seawall. It's really interesting. And there are 3 questions there. Okay, these bottom 2, mapping your school and let's write, we're not going to do those. Those are kind of extensions to this, and we're not. I just want you to do these first 5 right here. Okay, I feel like those 5 are plenty with the 3 questions on each. Okay, once you've made your way through those 5 with the 3 multiple choice questions each, you're going to come back up here to the top where it says Texas Studies Weekly. Okay, so click on Texas Studies Weekly, and then you're going to come over here and take your test. Okay, I feel like this test is, it will read it to you again if you'd like the question read to you. You're going to use some of your map skills that you learned to answer a couple of these questions. And then some of this is new information that you've read today, okay, through these articles. Let's see, I think there's 5 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions. Sorry, I couldn't remember. There are 7 questions, and after you've answered all 7, make sure you click Finish Test. And then that's all that you have to do, okay? If this is taking you an incredibly long amount of time, please let me know, because I'm kind of, trying to figure out how long this is going to take you to do. And we are going to work through this exact same thing in the classroom tomorrow. So I'll be able to tell about how long it takes the students here. Our classes on Fridays are about 75 minutes. So, or maybe even a little bit longer, I'm not sure. But so I'll kind of kind of see how they're doing as well. And then if I need to make adjustments for next Friday's assignment, I will definitely do that. But if you're having trouble or anything, please let me know so that I can, see what I need to do to adjust on this, because I don't want it to be too much, but also don't want to leave anything out, any important details that you definitely need to learn. Anyways, have a great Friday, have a great weekend, and please email me if you need anything.